Hi and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a part 2 look with this guy right here. So if you're interested in seeing a daytime look, not anything outrageous, but a daytime look that you could actually wear to work, then please stay tuned and let's get started. Okay, so today I've already done my face pretty much. The primer that I used was Urban Decay. This is their eyeshadow primer potion, and this one is their anti-aging line. This is actually the travel size of that. So that's what I used of that. So let's dig into this guy again. I am still mesmerized. Yeah, okay, so this is gonna be part 2. I will link my part 1 at the end of this video in case you missed that. So I'm gonna take my regular Tarte brush that I always use, and I'm gonna dig into this. And it's a very, very light color, which is my Pills. I'm going to put this all over my eye. Especially in that crease area where I have my hooded eye. All right, so I'm going to take a taper brush. This is the Pro Tapered Crease Brush number 19 from Sephora. What look are we gonna do today? Now, it's a weekend, so I'm thinking, previously I used this guy, this and this, and this, and this, and this. So let's do, in my crease, let's go in with Diet Root Beer again. I did this previously in my other video. Really like this color. Now, because I have a hooded eye, I am going above and beyond my normal crease down here so that you'll be able to see the color that I'm putting in there. Remember what's in the mini controversy, so let's open this up. I know that there's blues in here, but I haven't tried this guy yet, or that guy yet. So let's go in with, oh, see, Diet Root Beer's in this one too. Do we want to do a purple look? It's a fall day, so all right, let's take this Morphe E22, and that's what it's kind of like, a little button brush. Let's go in with, on the outside edge, let's do this guy. Not a fact. Not a fact. Let's do this on the outside. This is going to be a really quick tutorial, actually. It's not going to take me long to do this. This is a weekend look that is not going to be glam, and it's something simple that you can just throw together and not have to worry about cut creases and, you know, all that jazz. We're going to visit some people today, some relatives. So this is gonna be real quick. Now I'm making sure that I get it in that actual real crease right there. And I'm doing a little bit by little because you can always add more. You can never clean it up as well as what you want to. So, all right. Then I'm going to take that original brush again, nothing else on it, and just blend that together. I'm going to bring this up a little bit so it's a little kind of smoky. Those two colors together are just perfect. All right, inside pop of color, what are we gonna do? I did this one the other day. So let's see, I just love that pink, but this one doesn't really have, I guess I could do the light purple and do exposed. That one's a really light purple. We could do the pink, and that would be a definite pop of color. All right, let's do the pink. And even though it's a bright pink, oh my gosh, I barely touched that. Look at the pigment in that. Oh my word. All right, so I'm gonna try to do this on two, so I don't have so much on my brush. That's like insane. I barely touched that color, holy cow. That one is Trisha. That color is Trisha. All right. Taking the same beginning brush and we're going to blow that out so it's not as bright. And blend those two colors together. That is so pretty. Holy cow. Okay. All right, for a highlighter, I'm gonna go in with this e.l.f. This is, I don't even know what it is. White gold. White gold. And I'm gonna take my itty bitty brush, tiny. Put it in the corner of my eye. Under my eyebrow. There we go. All right. Sticking on the brown side. Let's see. I'm gonna stay with brown, Lucky. This is Urban Decay 24/7, and I'm gonna go on the under eye. And then just a little bit on the outside here. Okay, so this turned out to be a little brighter than what I thought, but I really like that pink. So that's what that gets me, but that's okay. So it's still on the plummy side and went to a bronze. Not so much a tan brown. So, all right, let me put on some mascara and lipstick and I'll be right back. So this is my final look for today. The lipstick actually that I used was from Jeffree Star Cosmetics. This is the Velour liquid lipstick in the shade Leo. I'm really excited about trying that as well. I got that with my conspiracy palette. So, yeah, this is a quick fall, plummy, bronzy look for fall. Yay, fall is my time of year. Make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. Comment below as well on if you like this tutorial or not. And make sure that you are subscribed, because the week of Thanksgiving, I will be doing a giveaway of products the entire week. So make sure you're subscribed. Follow me at Uptown Glam Girl on Instagram, where I will also announce everything that's gonna be in the haul. So comment below on some upcoming things that you would like to see. If you'd like to see what I think I might be getting for holiday, or I don't know, give me some suggestions on what you would like to see. I did do a wear test on my previous video with the conspiracy palette. I will link that here at the end so that if you're interested in that, you can watch that as well. Thanks again for watching, and I will catch you soon. As always, God bless.